Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another unboxing video, and this time it is Boxycharm. I just got my Boxycharm today, so I'm really excited to open it up and show you guys what I got this time. So let's open it up. So this is what it looks like inside. Okay, I'm already excited for this box. So this month's theme is Make Waves. It's super cute and beachy and summery. Okay, so the first thing I see here that I'm super excited about, it is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioner Cleanser. So it's a face cleanser. So this cleanser removes face makeup and daily impurities. So I'm really excited to try this out. It comes in this cute little box here. Let's open it up to see what the bottle looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's a full size. I'm super excited to try this out. I've never tried anything from this brand, so that's that.
Oh crap. That's funny, you guys. Look, I just put it in here and it fell from the bottom.
This Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser retails for $28. Okay, the next thing I see here is from Untitled London. It is a eye luster cream eyeshadow. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm super excited for this. I got the shade Cupid. Oh, so pretty. Look at that, you guys. It's like a pinkish, purplish color, and it has a bunch of glitter, so I'm really excited. So I'm going to be swatching this for you guys. So this is what the applicator looks like.
Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. It's super pretty.
That is so pretty. I'm excited to put this on my eyes. I will be doing makeup videos, so I will be trying this out soon. And this Untitled London eye cream shadow retails for $22. Okay, the next thing I see here is from the brand Ography, and it is a emerald eye pencil. This is what it looks like. I think we've already received some items from Ography before, and I'm gonna swatch it. It's a really pretty green. That's what it looks like. It's super pretty. So I'm really excited to try this out. Hopefully it actually works and it's not like last month's eye pencil. And this Ography eyeliner pencil retails for $14. Okay, the next thing that I see here that I'm super excited about, it is from Dose of Colors, and it is a liquid matte lipstick in the shade Stone. This is what the packaging looks like. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, the packaging is like so pretty. Look at that. I'm gonna swatch it. This is what the applicator looks like.
Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful color.
It is like a neutral pink. I am definitely gonna be wearing this a lot. So I'm really excited that I got this. I've never owned a liquid lipstick from the brand Dose of Colors, so I'm super excited for this. And this Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick retails for $18. Okay, the last thing in the box, it is from the brand Eyeliner Cosmetics. This is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute. We've actually received an Eyeliner eyeshadow palette a few months ago, so I'm really excited to see what this one looks like because I really like the eyeshadow palette. I'm actually using the colors today. So let's open this up. Oh, and I didn't tell you guys, this is a Color It Blush Trio, and
oh my gosh, these colors are beautiful.
so I think I got the lightest shade. This is what it looks like. Let me take this off. So these are the colors that I got. They're super pretty. I think I got the Fair Light Blush Trio. I wish I would have got the medium, but this is fine. It's super pretty. The shades right here are called Castaway, Paraíso, and Sorter. Paraíso is like a pinkish color, and Castaway and Sorter are like a shimmery orange. So I'm really happy that I got these. I think I'm gonna swatch them for you guys. So here are the 3 shades. This is Castaway, Paraíso, and this is Scorcher. I don't know how to pronounce that, you guys. So here are the swatches of the blushes on my arm. They're so pretty. I'm really excited to try these out. Hopefully they work on my skin. If not, that's gonna suck, or I'm just gonna blend it in with another blush. This Alamar Colorette Blush Trio retails for $22. So I'm really happy that I got this as well. So I'm really happy with all the stuff that I received this month. Everything is so pretty. Okay, now let's find out what is the total of this box.
Hey Google, what is $28 plus $22 plus $22 plus $18 plus $14?
The answer is $104.
So the value of this box is $104. It is so worth paying $21 a month. So if you guys also receive Boxycharm, let me know in the comments below. I would like to know what you guys received. So that is all for Boxycharm. Before I end this video, I want to say Happy Mother's Day to all of you that have children. I don't have children, but Happy Mother's Day to all of you. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. But yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys. Oh, and this video is also going to be in Spanish. I will be linking it up here for you guys to watch it. So yeah. Bye guys.
Well, my eyelashes are getting stuck here.